Hey guys, how's it going? We have video number 2 of the mold making process for silicone. We made a much bigger mold. Definitely come check it out. Pay no attention to how we looked the morning that we demolded. Honestly, I don't even think we had on pants. And Julie almost told me that I could not release the video because of how she looked that morning. So I might have to blur her out. So don't judge. I think that's it for the frame molds, but check it out. So I posted about Julie and I molding frame. So we've been getting a lot of questions on like, why am I molding a frame? Well, we find these frames that we really like, and so we molded this first one here, and so we're able to duplicate. So this is actually one of the duplicated frames painted black. And so this is going to be a display piece for the business that we have, as well as just basically dark art. So we do a lot of skull items in frames at markets, and so that's why we're doing frames. So I found this really cool frame. It's really long, tall, skinny frame. Very unique. I've never seen one like this before. Now we're gonna mold this one. So stay tuned. We're about to mold this long bad boy.
You gotta get yours going too, Daddy.
I'm totally videoing and like not even getting at all me pouring it in. All right, so we got this one in there. So now we wait for it to cure. Sweetness. Man, this is fun.
Okay.
All right, people, so it was overnight for us, seconds for you. It is really early in the morning, trying to do this before work, and so we look crazy, so don't pay no attention. All right, let's do this. You ready?
So you just want to cut here?
It's like a Elmer's glue brand poster board, kind of like a presentation thing, a little trifold. Is what we use for the mold. And yeah, it worked really good. I got it started over here.
Okay.
Well, don't rip those kind of. Look at that. Ooh.
Got a little bit right there. Oh, let me get the scissors. Wow.
Whoa, look at this.
It is thin on these edges right here, so be careful.
It's fine. So there's our mold for this long mirror. And that is pretty cool. Awesome. And then now, can you lift that up a bit?
The mold?
Yeah. And then we gotta get this off the back of here. I hot glue the crap out of this, so I don't know how easy this is gonna be to get off the back. Cause we're gonna, so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna remold these, and then we're gonna do like skulls all the way down the length of this as decor. So that's the reason we're making these. All right, so I finally got the majority of the mold material off the back. Man, if you have the smallest pinhole, your silicone is going to get through when you pour it in. Man, I thought I had sealed this thing. So awesome. This is the second mold, second time that it's leaked. So double, triple,
mega double triple your stuff.
look how much silicone went underneath to the back that we essentially wasted that should have been on the top side of our mold. I mean, that's a lot of silicone. Man, I could have molded like a whole something else with all this. So
it's in the cracks right here.
Yeah.
I'll have to get it cleaned up too.
So again, man, when you think you have it sealed up, do it again and then do it one more time. Telling you, crazy. All right, that's all. So we got this new camera mount system so I can get different various angles here in the garage. I could move this thing and film over here if I'm working on this desktop. And so we've been building and doing a lot of stuff, but not really doing videos and sharing with you guys. So I'm gonna try to do a better job of documenting more of the things that we're buying. So today, or building, not buying. Today, when I was at work, Julie was off. She molded the big frame that you guys haven't even seen us make yet, but I will do a video for this large frame. I did do a short of us pouring the silicone for this, but she waited for me to get home before she demolded this. So she wanted, that way in case I wanted to see what it looks like for the first pull. So kind of exciting for that. You ready, babe?
Yeah.
All right. We just flip it over, I guess, and pull it off.
Or you start
Ooh, this thing's, ooh, this heavy.
Oh, I didn't even lift it.
Yeah, you just gotta.
Careful, it has that.
It's okay.
Oh,
all
yeah,
right.
it just comes right out.
Oh yeah, it should just come right off.
I did do a little release because I wasn't sure.
Oh, look at that.
Uh-oh.
So we got this big. It's okay.
Oh,
it's fine.
we need to sweep that.
Yeah, we will. So here's the large mold that we made, and so first pull. What do you think?
Ooh, I totally dropped that on my toe.
You don't have to put it back. It's big. So
I need to pull out the other one and see. Ow! I totally keep hitting myself. Yeah, it looks good. I think. Don't you think?
Yeah. So here's the first pull from the big.
And I don't even know if that's like the bestest stuff to use, but
yeah. And so what we were thinking of doing with this is
I cut some backs here,
lining it with skulls all the way down.
Oh,
yeah, like that. I think it'll fit like 8 or 9. So
still a little damp.
Yep.
You maybe put it outside.
Yeah, we'll put it outside and dry, but pretty cool.
Man,
and she
cool.
put a wire hanger in it before it dried. Here are some cats in there.
Come here, Victor.
So still playing with learning this process and molding some objects for fun to see what we can create. So stay tuned. Get your hat on.
Look, Victor. He's such a big
Kitty
baby.
cam.
Big baby Victor.
Big baby Victor.
Look at that big baby.
Big baby.
All right, he's got some mats.